Hi guys, we're here with another video about Bard AI review, and in this video guys I'm going to show you what is the prompt that you should know and use when you try to compare two different separate objects or items. It will be easier for you to make a choice simply if you know this prompt. For example, we're going to ask Bard AI to make a comparison, right, between BMW and Mercedes for maintenance and ownership costs. Let's say you like models from both cars, both brands, right? But you don't know, you're not sure which one you should get, right? For example, you like the G-Wagon, but you like the X6 as well, and you wonder, okay, both are the same price. For example, you have the budget, so which one you should get? You see what we're having over here, full breakdown and comparison. This is why Bard AI is awesome. See, average annual cost BMW 1300, Mercedes 1220. Partial cost, you have high partial cost for BMW, moderate for Mercedes. Labor cost high for BMW, moderate for Mercedes. Scheduled maintenance every 12 months or 15,000 miles. Mercedes every 12 months or 10,000 miles. Reliability average above average for both. That's good. Commonly reported issues: oil leaks for the BMW, suspension problems, electrical issues. Mercedes air pump failures, transmission problems, fuel injector issues. Ownership category: BMW depreciation high, Mercedes high, insurance high on both. Fuel efficiency varies by the model, generally lower than average for both. Resale value high, warranty coverage 4 years, 50,000 miles. Extended warranty options available. Overall, both brands are more expensive to maintain than most non-luxurious brands. Mercedes-Benz has a slight edge in overall maintenance cost with lower labor and parts prices. BMW parts tends to be more expensive, contributing to the higher repair cost. Ownership costs for both brands are high due to the depreciation, insurance, and fuel. Very well comparison, guys. I believe no matter who is reading this, car enthusiast, car expert, mechanic, reading this, he will know that this is awesome, and this was generated just with one single prompt. This is why, guys, you should subscribe to the channel and like this video.